Hi, my name is Merlin. Today I'm going to talk about Valorant today. But the thing is that I was not able to learn something new today because I was very tired, and so I'm just gonna try to like talk about the thing I'm trying to working on. So what I'm trying to working on is making a like real operating system, not just like Windows thing, Windows and Mac OS. That operating system is really big. So I'm like writing an operating system using Rust. I'm following these steps and these are really helping me to understand those kind of things. But it's kind of weird. Not it's kind of not or it's not ordinary operating system because like even the writing a bootloader is need to be implemented. Like the bootloader uh, has to be found the kernel image, OS kernel image. It has to be stored in the some kind of way. But in here, it doesn't talk about like really deeply of it. So that just make me really just a little bit disappointing. So and also despite of using this following these steps, I'm trying to implement like operating system, but the similar to operating system into web application. You cannot really make operating system using JavaScript because in the JavaScript you cannot specify the hardware memory address. You cannot store uh, uh, some kind of data into hardware memory address in JavaScript. But right now I'm just trying to specifying the the hardware specification on the client level of it, and and trying to like making a real operating system. So if you look at the code of here, if you look at here, so BGA hardware is the one makes you print text to the screen without relying on the BIOS at the when the first your computer boots at the bootloader time. So like look here, there's like already there are a lot of specification of it. So which means that the specification of this hardware, the BG hardware, is same as this BG hardware class because I copied out of it. So base order is 0xb8000, just like real BGA hardware. And if you look at how it works, not this. So if you're trying to draw a character, like here part this part, so I print some kind of hello world and my name is Merlin and blah 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 those kind of things. But if you look at the hello world, it really seems like real like bootloader thing. Like if you look at the code, of course the BGA hardware is has to be this BGA hardware has to be global variable. So just skip that. But this right is even specifying here, converting to ASCII and converting the 2D position into index. The reason why you have to change 2D position to index is there's no 2D concept in the real hardware. It's if you look at the hardware, it's just like just plain one dimensional array. So I just have to, but if you look at the BGA hardware, it's trying the thing you have to show it the screen. This screen is actually 2D dimension array, this kind of thing. But you want to store this part. But this part in the BGA, the hardware part is just one dimensional array. So you have to convert like this kind of row column into one dimensional array. So this is the method it's using it. But and putting ASCII code is just like you have to uh, you have to store color code first, and next is you have to store the ASCII code. So 8 bits per color code, and ASCII code is also 8 bits. So total is that 60 bits. Also, reading is same. Convert to the position to the index, read it, and be change and get address based on the base address. We're using logical syntax of it, logical address, and get ASCII code and use ASCII bit mask and get the color code. Of course, you have to divide it because the buffer size is 16. You have to divide it to 8, and you have to extract the value of it. So this is it. This is really simple, and convert to ASCII is very simple. And if it exists, if the ASCII, if the text or if the string is outside of the ASCII range, I'll convert into the default mode and calculate the BG reference size. Is very simple, and those kind of things is very. I already implemented this, and these are just the bit mask, just just a bit mask. So this is it. So, but the thing I was really hard was I was yeah this kind of approach, like making like seems like operating system using a front end work could be really uh enhancing the how does it work, enhancing the understanding of seeking of the underhood. But the thing is that uh, the way more I'm trying to go deeply is equals to the it takes time for the study of our operating system. So next thing I have to do is I'm just gonna stop doing like making an OS on the front end development part. I'm just gonna finish this part first and look at the how real bootloader works, like here, and trying to make my own of it and use this code to analyze it, and after making a like perfectly stable operating system using Rust, I'm just gonna transform into a JavaScript one. I think that's gonna be more helpful rather than doing the same part. So this is it. Have a nice day. Bye bye.